Hi, in this short video you can see how you can create a YOLO pose model and draw human on a human pose key points in 2 minutes as soon as possible. Here you can start. You have to open Kaggle.com and sign up using Google, and after sign up you have this page, and then you have to click on create notebook. You will come on this page, and then you have to create a input folder, and for upload you have to create a new dataset, and you have to browse file from your browser like this one, and you have to name it anything. Like in this case I am using this name temporary 111 and make it private. You have to create this folder, and this is your notebook, and this is your input folder where you place your file input files. Here you can see, here is your dataset, and here is your file. You add any file you can upload here. I uploaded my images here, as you can see, and then like this I have this dataset by this name, and the same folder that I uploaded there is already present here. For saving of time I just did it here, and you have to use this code only this number of line. I will make this code available in the video, and you have to just paste it here like this code. You have to copy and just paste it here, only this thing, and you have to click on this execute cell. It will take some time, maybe less than a minute, and you will see this output. Here you can see this is the final output. So if you want a detailed explanation how this code working, kindly comment or share my video. I will create a detailed video. Bye bye.